Dom and Finn here, out with a couple of our latest RC bike. This is the Mars bike that we've been using quite a lot recently. Love this, and we like it because it's quite challenging to drive. Trev will attest to that.
Oh yeah, there's definitely a knack to it.
There's definitely a knack to it, which we like. And out here on an open tarmac, it's, bless you. It's got a bit of a cold, the poor thing. Yeah. It's challenging enough, but we're going to try it on a track next year. It might be even more difficult keeping it off the grass. Whereas you have got the Beast, 16th scale 4-wheel drive Dodge Challenger type car, right? Yeah. And I've got a camera facing forward, so I'm hoping that we'll be able to do some good chase footage.
Yeah, I hope
all right?
So.
You ready?
Born ready.
All right.
Oh, good luck.
Yeah.
Born with it.
What could go wrong?
Right, here we go, Finn. So I turn on my camera. All right, off you go. Oh. All right, try not to wipe me out. That's fine. We're doing circuits going around that way. Try and plug me.
There we go. Oh, you can hear it increase.
Oh, fun.
Oh man, the big yeah.
I take a cartwheel over there. You've got to go a bit wider on that corner.
You guys are definitely doing better. It's there you go. Oh, jump.
I keep forgetting that when you do this, you have to release the steering to get the tighter turns.
Yeah, that's where the knack is, isn't it? It's everything goes against what feels natural with the bikes. Oh, I got that. Perfect.
That looked good on camera.
Yeah.
There we go. That was a bit of fun with the, what is this called? I've forgotten what it's called. Beast.
Beast.
Not the monster, the Beast. The Beast from our friends at Bangor, 4-wheel drive, 16th scale. And the battery on this, it's been going for like 25 minutes, half an hour.
Yeah.
And the Mars bike, which we just love the challenge of driving these things. So hope you enjoyed that. The links for these are in the video description and the pinned comment. I've got to take my friend Finn home now. He needs some Lemsip. He's suffering with a bit of a cold. But nothing would have stopped you coming outside for a bit of RC today.
Yeah, anything.
Anything. All right, thanks everybody. And we say adios. Martin Pickering would... we need to learn the whole Spanish language. That's what we need to do. We can't just stick to adios. We need to do some more Spanish. Next time.
The battery's run out.